Hi there, thanks for joining me today. I have a special cooking video since I'm home and you're home. So I'm going to do some pork fried rice. I love using the wok. Let me show you these ingredients. Some garlic, some shallots, some scallion bottoms, some scallion tops, some basmati rice that I pre-cooked, and some shredded pork. And I'm going to be using liquid aminos, which is some fancy non-GMO soy sauce. Non-GMO is a big deal. Alright, so I have the wok is already hot. This is one take, so I better get this right. I'm going to be using some grapeseed because it has a high smoke point. If I had peanut oil, I'd be using peanut oil, but I don't. That's going to start getting hot immediately. So we're going to start with some shallots, the garlic, and the, let's go all of that. The scallion bottoms, let's turn that down. Let's hit it with the pork. And when you're stir frying, it happens pretty quick. I'm going to hit it just a little bit of salt, a little pepper, turn up the heat a little bit. Okay, let that fry up, come together. The pork is cooked, so you just want to heat it through. I'm going to hit it with the scallion tops. I always confuse tops and bottoms. The bottoms are the white part. The tops are the green part. Now I'm going to add the cooked basmati rice. Very nice. And the little goes a long way. Now I'm frying. Hit it with more scallion tops. I'm going to turn up the heat. I'm going to give it a quick taste. Okay, I'm going to add the amino. It's a little late, but I'm going to add a little more garlic. Now I'm going to hit it with the aminos, liquid aminos. And that has the sweet smell of soy sauce, maybe a little sweeter. Okay, now I'm going to add the egg. we're almost there. I want the wok as hot as I could get it. Yeah, we're almost there. Let me taste that. Oh yeah. We're done. Here, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3, the bumblebee. Some scallions, some cilantro if you had it, I don't. There you go. Some pork, fried rice, live pork fried rice here on The Guy Show. Hey, we gotta do what we gotta do, babies. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys here next time on The Guy Show. Goodbye, everybody.